If you want to authenticate a domain in MailChimp, I'm going to walk you through the process step by step in a simple way so you can get it done quickly and correctly. This is important if you want better email deliverability, a more professional setup, and a smoother connection between your MailChimp account and your domain. And before we get started, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more clear software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your web browser and go to MailChimp. Once the page loads, sign in using the account credentials for the MailChimp account you want to use. Make sure you're signing into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one business or brand, because the domain settings need to be updated in the right place. After you're inside the MailChimp dashboard, look at the search bar at the top of the page. This is the fastest way to find the settings you need. Type domains into the search bar and then select the domains option from the results. This will take you to the domain management page, where you can manage both email domain verification and website domain connections. Now, let's start with verifying an email domain. In the email domain section, click Add and Verify Domain. MailChimp will ask you to enter the email address you want to verify. Type it carefully because this should be an address you have access to and that you want connected properly to your account. Once you've entered it, click Send Verification Email. Next, go to your email inbox. You should receive a verification email from MailChimp pretty quickly. Open that message and click the verification link inside it. This confirms that you own or control the email address and helps MailChimp trust the domain association. If you don't see the email right away, check your spam, junk, promotions, or updates folders just in case it was filtered there. Once the verification is complete, return to the MailChimp domains page. At this point, your email domain should be verified, and you can move on to the next part if you also want to connect a website domain. Scroll down to the website domain section. This area is used if you want to connect a custom website domain to your MailChimp account. Connecting your domain can help with branded pages, website tools, and other MailChimp features that rely on a verified domain connection. To begin, click Connect a Domain. If MailChimp prompts you, enter the domain you want to connect. Make sure the domain is typed exactly as it should appear, and then follow the on-screen instructions to continue. MailChimp may guide you through a few setup steps, depending on the domain and the type of connection it needs. Now, here's an important point. Some website domain features in MailChimp may require a paid plan. So if you see a message asking you to upgrade, don't worry. That just means the feature you're trying to use isn't included in the free plan. In that case, choose the plan that fits your needs, complete the upgrade, and then come back to the domain connection process so you can finish setup. As you go through this, take your time and double check each step. Domain authentication is one of those things that can feel technical at first, but once you know where everything is, it becomes much easier. The key things to remember are: sign in to the correct MailChimp account, find the domains page using the search bar, verify your email domain, confirm the verification email, and then connect your website domain if needed. If you ran into any prompts along the way, just follow them carefully. MailChimp usually gives clear instructions, and in most cases, you can complete the process without needing any advanced settings knowledge. And that's how to authenticate a domain in MailChimp. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with any other MailChimp setup steps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.